Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and preparing what Choco requires. This saves time later. Once ready, gather your ID, portfolio links, and a tight 1-2 minute intro video that showcases range and personality. Then create your Choco account and verify your email immediately so you don't lose access. Make sure your profile bio is concise and keyword-rich, and upload a clear headshot. These first actions set the foundation for a smooth submission process. Once your account is ready, follow Choco's brief exactly. Format, length, and file type matter. Record with clean lighting and clear audio, then edit to a polished 1-2 minute clip. Cut dead air and emphasize your strongest moments. Make sure to add captions and portfolio links so casting can check your work quickly. In your cover note, explain why you fit the role in 1 or 2 lines and attach any requested forms before uploading to avoid delays. You finish by uploading your file, double-checking metadata, and submitting before the deadline. Don't wait until the last minute. Once submitted, save the confirmation email and note timestamps so you can track status. If you hear back, respond politely and provide any additional materials requested. If you don't get selected, ask for feedback, revise your reel, and reapply with improvements. Troubleshooting tip: if uploads fail, compress to required specs and retry, or use a different browser. Connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.